Hello. Hi, I'm Andrea. Maraming salamat po for checking my profile. I'm a native Tagalog speaker from the Philippines, and I've been speaking Tagalog every single day since I graduated high school back in 2009. So that's over 15 years of speaking the language naturally with my family, my friends, at work, and in daily life. Now, I want to be honest with you. I don't have a formal teaching experience yet. I'm new to online tutoring. I think that's actually good for beginners like because I remember what it's like to learn a new language. I learned English the same way, not from perfect textbooks, but by talking, making mistakes, listening, and practicing a little bit every day. So I understand how it feels when you're nervous to speak or when grammar seems confusing. In my class, we won't focus on boring grammar rules first. We'll focus on new speaking, real Tagalog, the kind Filipinos actually use. We'll practice things like how to greet someone properly with po and opo, how to order food, how to introduce yourself, how to have a simple conversation with your Filipino friends or partner's family. My teaching style is very patient and relaxed. No pressure, no judgment. If you make mistakes, that's okay. That's how we learn. I'll correct, I, I'll correct you gently and explain things in simple English so it's easy to understand. We'll go at your speed, not mine. So if you're looking for a tutor who's friendly, patient, and speak real everyday Tagalog, then I think we'll be a good match. The best way to know is to try one class with me. Book a trial lessons. We can talk about your goals and I can show you how to learning Tagalog can be. No commitment needed. I'm excited to meet you and help you with your Tagalog journey. Let's learn together. See you in class. Salamat and God bless.